So I'm Dave.
And I'm Adam. And this is Dave and Adam's
Mythbusters. What?
Close.
Close. Hi, I'm Shane Dolan. This is Crafts and Crafts, episode 2. Yes, I made a second one, and it may be a lot longer after the first one was made, but don't worry, the production quality hasn't improved. Over here, I got my buddy Cliff.
What's going on, guys?
How you doing, Cliff? You having a good time?
Oh, I'm having a great time. Been out here over spring break, getting to see Shane moves out here to become a big player and all. You know, gets the little kids back in Delaware County. So
yeah, making those big screens up on YouTube. You know, just hitting the airwaves, right?
I was gonna say this is the biggest production I've heard you talk about all week. So
very, very true. Well, today we have our craft beer, the Firestone Pale 31. A few quick facts: it's 4.9% alcohol content. And yes, it's brewed within California. The 31 on the packaging, which I thought was like a little cool fact, just because it was the 31st state in the United States. Did you know that? Yeah, California is the 31st state. So
I like to think of it as my countertop.
Crafts and crafts.
well, neither one of us bought it.
I'm a fan.
I am like usually a big fan of pale ales, and this is what would you describe that taste as? Oh yeah, you're not really into these craft beers. Like,
Yeah, I'm not really an IPA verse drinker. It's mostly Bud Light and Coors Light, occasionally some champagne of beer.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of new territory. It's a good beer. Like, I'll still drink it.
What would you give a rating out of this? Out of 10?
Out of 10, like, this is a really good beer. Like, I was afraid it was gonna be bitter. Everyone always says IPAs are like super bitter, but it's really good. I can see myself drinking all of these pretty quickly. I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5. I am enjoying it. It's just not usually what I end up drinking, so I'm gonna leave my higher scores until later. And man, I can't wait till we get that first really bad beer. All right, guys. So our craft today, if you took notice, we're not using the green screen today. It's just a little slow, and I kind of want to start building up a set, but the walls are kind of really barren. I mean,
I don't think I can hear anything.
Yeah. So
it doesn't look like it from my point of view.
So the wall's pretty barren, and we're gonna put some more paintings and stuff up there to maybe like add some flair to it. So today on Crafts and Crafts, I bought some canvas, and we got some paints, and we're gonna make some signs. So you know those funny signs that you see on like in shore houses and things like that. Yeah, I know. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you know, you walk in and it says free beer tomorrow, or it says beer, proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy.
Exactly.
Benjamin Franklin.
That's a lot to put on a sign.
Yeah, well, it's
They have machines.
It's true.
It's easy.
So we'll see you guys back at that point. Think I forgot the darkness scale. Just throwing it up there wherever. Just maybe it'll pop up, maybe it won't. We'll see what happens. Me and Cliff are gonna have a little actual competition with this craft and see who can make funnier signs. But no matter what, they're end up gonna decorate my wall for at least next episode, so that should be quite interesting. Yeah. So we'll see you guys back in literally a second.
Shane, who was also right about the other big thing? Ow! That was dick. That was entirely dick for no good reason. That was entirely dick for no good reason.
Shut up!
Alright, so welcome back to Crafts and
Big
Crafts.
dumb animal.
We're actually gonna do the craft now. All you're gonna need is some canvas, anything to stick it onto the wall, and some acrylic paints or whatever paints that you want to work.
And whatever everyone uses as an easel.
Yeah,
Not an easel.
Yeah.
As
So
a
we're using
paintboard.
what we've been drinking as our easel. Yeah, you're
It's
right.
not an easel. No, it's an
No,
easel.
yeah, the easel.
Easel's what you set the John on.
Yeah, easel is the
So
stand.
this is a
That's our palette.
palette.
No. Is the thing called? No, a palette is a color.
So thingamajig.
No, palette's not a color.
This is your thingamajig
Yeah,
that we're gonna put
palette.
paints and shit on.
No, because a palette's like the
I'm
like
Googling, keep going.
it's like the makeup thing. Like a girl will have like a palette of makeup, and she'll be like,
A palette.
You know
a palette
makeup's
is like
dirt.
an amount of makeup.
makeup's dumb as shit. Yeah,
Makeup's
like, on the
dirt.
real shit. Makeup's really dumb.
Like if you leave makeup on, you're gonna get more pimples because it's just dirt.
it's not like dirt. It's like.
So we got our canvas, we got some paints. You can use oil.
Oh my god, it's called a palette. Fuck.
Fuck yeah!
I'm really taking this back to 7th grade, man. They taught us about the color wheels. Did you know that yellow and blue make green?
I'm Catholic. I don't believe in the color wheel.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pagan invention, and I don't buy it.
Woo!
Yo, motherfucker!
Move that. Oh no!
That's my beer too. I guess they'll work. This is mine. You fucked up my other canvas.
that's gonna be a cut, right? Yeah.
I
I hate you so much. You ain't gonna fucking die in a hole, you know that.
Shane, name 3 unconventional colors. Go.
Maroon, sapphire, and tangerine. I don't think I spelled this right.
What's the word trying to spell?
Please.
Please?
No, you spelled that right.
Okay, cool. We're good. So,
Dude, I'm super bummed about this shirt, though. I do like this shirt.
Oh,
I don't want to have to pull up our Christ.
Yeah, I saw that.
my brush fell off.
You forgot something, yo.
I gotta wait for my pants to dry a little bit for this.
Yeah, dude, I think I'm
What did you do?
I really fucked it up.
What did you do? It's like you made nacho cheese into a color. Alright, I'm done.
You're done both?
Yep.
If you give me 4 minutes, I'll be on this shit. Hold on.
Okay. So, Cliff, let's go after our your first one. What was your first painting?
So my first one, Shane said at least one had to be an alcohol reference. So the first one, I really done fucked up. So what's supposed to say is Jack and Ginger like Zoe and Chase. Zoe 101 reference.
Oh, so meant to be. Okay.
Man, that's a good
So
one.
like it's a throwback because like Jack and Ginger will also have you make terrible decisions for multiple years as you decide what you want to invest your life into.
That's really funny.
That's very great. Okay.
So starting bid $10.99. Hit me up on twitter.com.
My first one is, in case of police, I thought it would be nice to have a reference of what the alphabet is backwards, just in case they
Oh, man,
ask.
you almost didn't do that. I see that. Man. You almost messed that up.
See, but to be fair, if they're in your house and they ask, get out of my apartment.
So, Cliff, I think you'll like this more than the audience will.
Son of a bitch. What is it? So it's just like a can.
Oh my god!
So it's just like a couple of slides that just says words. So like he's very unfunny and unoriginal and makes no good content. But like,
You literally made yours a Zoe 101 reference. What are you talking about?
but at least he said words.
It's just layers of paint. What is this?
Everything is layers of paint. What, do you think the fucking Mona Lisa's one layer of paint? Are you an idiot?
He's actually not wrong about this.
Yeah.
That guy fucks. So this is a sign that says beer.
Show it to the audience.
That says beer because you could always be louder. Louder.
So thank you for watching Crafts and Crafts. Let us know who actually fucking won this art competition. Where can they follow you, Cliff?
Instagram is ConnorClifton63. I think the Twitter's the same. Probably also ConnorClifton63.
Do anything cool in the future, like in the near future?
So I've already mentioned Purse. That'll be coming out sometime Post Malone style within the next year.
Okay.
Whenever I can get Shane's head out of his ass to finish getting it together.
So our producer/seducer, where can they find you?
You can find me on Twitter at @TheMoneyMike, Instagram @TheMoneyMike, and YouTube. Words!
They'll be in the description. You can find me at SargeDog on Instagram, or follow the Crafts and Crafts page on Instagram. We put a lot of behind the scenes stuff up. Tend to put a live stream while we're actually shooting. If you ever want to entertain with that, you can. So, subscribe if you want to. Tell your friends if you want to. Sorry.
Share it with your mom, even if you don't want to,
Especially if your mom
because she'll
wants.
love us.
Have a great night, guys.
We getting it out now?
Yeah. Let's
Just go get food.
Double!
Oh, did I get paint on you?
Right, maybe. There's actually a possibility.
Hold on, has to.